Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone. So in this video, students, we are talking about ethanol blending. See, this has been considered a game changer for our society, for Indians basically. There are two aspects of it. First is your positive aspect. What does it include is that because if we start using ethanol or if we start doing ethanol blending, then less petrol will be imported because we can manufacture ethanol in house, right? Less petrol import, that means we have to give less number of dollars in the market. This is positive thing, right? We will become self reliant, correct? And now even we have achieved the target that we were aiming for 2026, but now we have achieved we were achieving it for 2030. We achieved it in 2026 only. Now we are further enhancing the ethanol blending target. First, just let's have a rough idea. That is positive. What is the negative? And one more positive here is that the farmers get benefit of it because ethanol, it is produced from sugarcane, right? And it is increasing the income of farmers. If we see the negative, it is impacting the engines of vehicles, right? Even it has been claimed that the mileage is going down, right? So just a brief of it. Now BIS, that is your Bureau of Indian Standard, which works under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, notified specification for ethanol 22 to ethanol 30 blending. The target here is by 2030 we will be achieving this target, correct? That is E22, 25, 27, 30 refer to petrol blending with ethanol of so and so respect. The new standards for higher ethanol blended petrol variants are expected to reduce India's reliance on imported crude oil, right, which currently accounts for almost 85% of the country's total requirements. And continuing volatility in the global energy market, we are seeing that in West Asia conflict the situation is great. Now if we see some strategic objectives here of this initiative, this will trigger which has been triggered by the global supply instabilities of the war that we are seeing. Then according to the industry framework shared on Instagram financial analysis, every 1% increase in the nationwide ethanol blending yields roughly $1 billion in annual foreign exchange rates saving is seen. That means if we increase the blending by 10%, so $10 billion annual saving we are seeing. Then agriculture remuneration, it will boost the rural economy by driving structured demand for domestic feedstocks such as sugarcane, maize and biomass, right? Also processing to E30 significantly drops the tailpipe carbon emission compared to conventional fossil fuels. That means from your tailpipe in the vehicle, from the exhaust that are being the pollution that is being exhausted, or the end product that the gases are being emitted in the atmosphere, if we achieve E30, we will be seeing a significant reduction in those emissions. Then if we see the impact on automotive industry here, no immediate fuel pump mandate has been given. Testing on the existing vehicles, that is Ministry of Petroleum has instructed Automotive Research Association of India to extensively study how E25 impacts engines life and fuel mileage in current E10 to E20 compliant cars, right? Also automakers must now re-engineer future components such as fuel lines, injectors, content sensors and anti-corrosive materials to handle higher alcohol concentration safely. So this is everything you need to know about this ethanol blending, which is also important for us if we see the economic situation and the war-like situations that we are seeing. But on the other side, we also need to focus upon the research and development in the engines that will be used in our cars for the for those cars that those engines will be running on these ethanol blended petrol, right? Because certain engines are not supporting it. So that's all for the day, students. Thank you and have a nice day.